6th of July 2023. Years. When was the address? It's Uudenmaankatu, Finland, 34 Stigler. Hej här. Red Valley Helsingin Sports Finland.
It's the only elevator, I think.
Oh, only one.
Yeah, probably. I'm quite
How
sure.
long was it? December 2548.
1927.
1927. We inspected the year 2023 and was operated by Helsingin Hissi in the 1960s. 2 or 3, right?
3 still.
Yeah. I wonder about call buttons.
Same.
Yeah. Yes, but the original was best.
Yeah.
Stigler's buttons. But we have built those with Stigler's original buttons. Also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nobody's coming.
Niissä piti paikkiväis, mutta meitä ei paikkooni.
Yeah. But too bad they've screwed away the Stigler sign here.
Yeah, for some reason.
Yeah. But it's habits.
Yeah.
And we need to switch on the lights here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it. Switch. That should have been the original button.
Yeah.
Or like the be the for retro style. Yeah.